All right, so the first thing you want to do is solve for capital R. I'll highlight that. All right, so for us to solve for capital R here, we just need to undo the operations being performed to it. So all that's being performed is everything is being multiplied. So we undo multiplication by dividing. So the factors of 2 cancel, the pi squareds cancel, and the r squareds cancel. And so we're left with our equation, r is equal to v over 2. We would call this pi parentheses, close parentheses, squared, followed by r squared. So this is what your entry would look like for this. And then the second part of this would be if you have a ring that has a volume of 100 cubic centimeters, so I can plug in 100 for V, and you want to find the possible values of R and capital R for that. Okay, what did I ask you? Did I ask you to evaluate for a certain thing? Okay, so we want to find R when you're looking at this 1.5 here. Okay, so we can use our calculators for this. We get 100 divided by, I'm going to put the entire set of factors in the denominator inside a grouping symbol. So 2 pi squared, and then times 1.5 squared. I have a decimal in my display or in my entry, so it'll display as a decimal as well. So I get about 2.252. And I'm not sure what I asked you to round to. Hey, did I give you other measures to put in for R2 or just that? Okay, and so for those ones, just plug in a 1.15 here, and then plug in, was it 0.849? 0.849. And so when you do those, it just changes this last little number right here. 1.15 would give me 3.831. And then the final one, if we substitute in 0.849, we get an answer of about 7.028. And so these would be your remaining answers.